In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Canva navigation bar. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to set up your layout, organize your pages, and preview your design so your navigation feels clean, professional, and easy to use. Let's start right inside your Canva design. First, you'll want to type in your title. This is usually the main heading that sits at the top of your page or slide, and it sets the tone for the rest of your navigation. Click on the text box at the top of your design, or add a new text box if you don't have one yet. Type in a clear, simple title that describes what this page is about, like home, about, or course dashboard. Take a moment to adjust the font, size, and color so it stands out from the rest of the content. Your title should be easy to read at a glance, especially if you're using smaller buttons or links for the rest of your navigation bar. Think about consistency here. If you're creating a whole set of pages with a navigation bar, try to use the same style of title on each page so viewers immediately recognize where they are. Once your title is in place and you're happy with how it looks, the next step is to click on Grid View. In Canva, Grid View lets you see all of your pages or slides at once in a thumbnail layout. Look for the icon that shows multiple small rectangles, usually along the bottom or side of your screen, and click it. Grid View is especially useful when you're building a navigation bar because you can quickly check that every page has a consistent layout and that your navigation elements appear in the same position throughout. Here, you can drag and drop pages to reorder them, duplicate a page that already has the perfect navigation bar set up, or delete any pages you don't need. This is the best place to organize your overall structure before you finalize your design. After you've arranged everything and your navigation bar looks consistent across all pages, it's time to see it the way your audience will. Click on Preview. This is usually represented by a play or presentation icon. Preview mode hides the editing tools and shows your design full screen, so you can focus on the look and feel. In Preview, flip through your pages and pay attention to how smoothly the navigation flows. Check that your titles are clear, aligned, and easy to read, and that the layout feels cohesive. If something looks off, simply exit the preview, make your adjustments, and then preview again until you're satisfied with the overall experience.